Namaskar friends. Now, as we were discussing in the previous video, the field of consciousness and intelligence. Now in this video, we continue with further descriptions of this particular field, and that is the field of Devi. Ahem buddhiraham shrish dhiti kirti smiti tatha shraddha medha daya lajja क्षुधा तृष्णा तथा क्षमा कांति शांति पिपासा च निद्या तंद्रा जरा जरा विद्या विद्या स्पृहा वांछा चा शक्तिश्रेव च वसा मज्जा च त्वक्वाहं दिष्टिर्वाग्निता निता परामध्या च पश्यन्ति नालोऽहं विविधाश्च. Devi is saying, I am intelligence, prosperity, patience, fame, memory, devotion, medha, another word for intelligence, mercy, modesty, hunger, hunger for knowledge, eagerness, forgiveness, radiance, peace, thirst, again possibly for knowledge, sleep, sleepiness, old age and youth, knowledge, ignorance, aspirations, desire, power and feebleness. And Devi is saying that she is also the cause of activation of all the nerves related to the senses, as also a few other important parts of her body. So Devi is saying, I am also all the nerves related to fat, bone marrow, skin, vision, truthful or untruthful speech, para, madhya, vision and speech. So this includes the senses mainly. And in addition, it says fat and bone marrow as well. Okay. And Devi also says para and madhya. Now she is para and madhya. So para and madhya, she is possibly referring to the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna nadis which run along the spine. So in these three verses, now Devi is saying her field is causing the presence of intelligence in all the forms, plus the same field is causing activation of the nerves which are activating all the senses in humans. So now we go on to the next three paragraphs. Nunam sarveshu deveshu nana nam dhara yayam bhavami shakti rupen karomi cha parakramam गौरी ब्राह्मी तथा रौद्री वाराही वैष्णवी शिवा वारुणी चात कौबेरी नारसिंही च वासवी उत्पन्नेषु समस्तेषु कार्येषु प्रविशामि तान् करोमि सर्वकार्याणि निमित्तं तं विधाय वै. Now in these three verses, Devi is saying that she is the one who resides in all the devatas as well with different names, and Devi makes herself visible by the power in them. And Devi is saying that it is me who is the valor in them. Devi further says that Devi is Gauri, Brahmi, Rodri, Varahi, Vaishnavi, Shiva, Varuni, Koberi, Narsinghi, and Vasavi power. And when the need arises, I enter the Devatas and making them the cause, I complete all the tasks. So, friends, now just like us all humans have intelligence, and as I will be explaining that all devatas exist in physical form as well in later chapters. So, just like Devi is residing in all of us as intelligence and consciousness. Similarly, she is residing in all the devtas as intelligence and consciousness. And because of this intelligence, that devtas have the power. See, normally in Hindu context, the Shakti or power is believed to be the physical power. But note that it is not the physical power that Devi is talking about. Devi is talking about the mental power. You see, the mental power is what is needed to execute all the tasks that are presented to you in your lifetime. For every task, you need the mental power first. So even if physical power is there but mental power is not there, then physical power is a waste. And Devi says that what we talk about the Gauri, the Brahmi, the Rodri, Varahi, Vaishnavi, Shiva, these are all the intelligence powers in Devtas. Okay, note this. And Devi also says that when the need arises, she enters the Devtas, making them the cause, and Devtas complete the task. So, over here in these verses, she is saying that she is the mental power, the intelligence, which is present in the Devtas as well. In the previous verses, we had noted that Devi is the intelligence powers in us humans, which enable us to execute all the tasks in our life. Okay, so it is the power of intelligence. Now, you see, you know that this intelligence is very important and will be coming to in very great detail at a later stage in this series of lectures. Now, let us see the next two verses. मया त्यक्तं विधेनूनं स्पन्दितुं न क्षमं भवेत् जीवजातं च संसारे निश्चयो वा यम्ब्रवे त्वयि शक्ता शङ्करो हन्तुं दैत्यां किल मयोजिता शक्तिहीनं नरं ब्रूते लोकश्चैवाति दुर्बलम्. Now, in these verses, Devi is saying that no living being in this world can even pulsate without me. Okay, Spandan. Spandan is pulsating. Pulsating is just running of the blood in your veins. So leave aside everything, even that pulsation cannot be there in any living being without Devi. And this, she says, is certain. And she is telling this. And she is saying that if I leave Shiva, then he, without her power, cannot have the ability to kill the monsters or the asuras. And that is the reason that the feeble in this world are called Shaktihin, or without the power. So it is the power of intelligence. So, okay, now in the last few videos, we have seen that there are two fields. First, we discussed about the Brahm, the field of Brahm, and the second field is that of consciousness and intelligence. Now, these two fields are inseparable. There is no difference in these fields, and these are parallel. These are always together. One field doesn't have its working without the other field. Okay, and Just like the field of Brahm is the non-physical form of Bhagavan Krishna, the field of consciousness and intelligence is the non-physical form of Devi. And as you must have heard so many times that Radha Krishna are inseparable. So now you understand who is Radha, the Mahalakshmi, the Mahamaya, and who is Bhagavan Krishna. And this is the fourth realization that you must have, that both Bhagavan Krishna and Bhagavati Mahalakshmi, they exist in both non-physical as well as physical forms. We'll come to the physical form of Devi. So Devi in all her forms resides in Manidweep. We'll come to that later. But what is important is that both of them are existing in real time today, as of today, and because of these two fields, the Brahm is giving us the physical form, and the next other field, the field of consciousness and intelligence, that is causing us to be conscious and use our intelligence. So, this is the fourth realization you must all have. Now, before we go on to discuss about the creation, we'll discuss about how time has been defined in ancient Indian texts. Friends, right now the definition or understanding of time is very limited as a modern science, but in ancient Indian texts, time exists in many dimensions, which we'll discuss in the next few videos.